connection, expression, experimentation, support, transformation, belonging. Welcome to After Hours Cultural Programming by the Assemblage, a feast for the senses and a stimulation for the mind. Our houses come alive with lectures, movement, and music in the evening. The Assemblage is a new approach to finding balance of mind, body, and spirit. Located in the heart of Nomad and the financial district of New York City, we are the epicenter for sparking conversations that bridge technology, capital, and consciousness. In-depth programming provides access to a night and weekend retreat in the city, where members step into leadership roles and are empowered to share their ideas with the community and the world. Our interactive events help our members connect to their purpose and to each other, inspiring personal, spiritual, and professional growth. We invite you to assemble